So it's pretty much guaranteed that at some point over the weekend, someone is going to ask you whether you think Elon Musk or Mark Zuckerberg would win in a fight. So in this episode of Trading Up, we are going to unpack the form guide to the upcoming Battle of the Billionaires to see who is going to come out on top. I'll give you a hint, it'll be a billionaire. Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grapher. In the red corner, we have Mark Zuckerberg. Apart from MySpace and Friendster, I guess, he pretty much invented social media. And unlike when he's in front of the US Congress, he's not sweating this fight. And in the blue corner, we have Elon Musk, the man who revolutionized electric cars, space travel, and the dad bod. This week, Zuckerberg fired a shot across the bow at Musk with the launch of Meta's new social media app called Threads. Now, Threads looks exactly like Twitter and was quickly dubbed by the media as a Twitter killer, which obviously Musk took offense to as the original holder of that title. Zuck posted this image on his own Twitter account, his first post since 2012. My spidey senses tell me that Zuck is using Musk's social media platform to send him a message. You're not the only billionaire around here, and I'm coming for you. But I like to think it's a reference to which one isn't paying enough tax. Speaking of money the billionaires have earned, who has the bigger bank account? Elon Musk is the world's richest person, and poor old Zuck is 10th. And in the last 12 months, Musk has managed to hoard an additional $100 billion in net worth, while Zuck added only about half that amount. Now, if you think the net worth of these tech bros is eye-watering, imagine how much money a cage fight between them might generate. Forget about Taylor Swift and her world tour, this fight would be the event of the decade. And the UFC predicts it could bring in at least $1 billion in a single night, with both boys agreeing to donate winnings to charity. Betfair, a prominent British bookmaker, is offering odds of 4 to 6 on Musk beating Zuckerberg. This means someone betting on Musk will take home $4 in profit for every $6 they put down. Now, as far as training is concerned, the 39-year-old Zuckerberg is an amateur mixed martial arts fighter and trained in jiu-jitsu, whereas 51-year-old Mr. Musk is a self-proclaimed street fighter and a trainer who also says he works out by throwing his kids up in the air. Though knowing Musk, he'll probably just try to buy the title after the fight and say he did it himself, like Tesla. The battle will also play out in courtrooms, with Musk threatening to sue Zuckerberg for stealing IP after hiring Twitter employees to build Threads. Now, whether the fight goes ahead or not, all publicity is good publicity, right? It certainly helps fuel interest in Zuckerberg's new Twitter killer Threads, which gained 30 million new followers in its first 24 hours of launch. And Twitter has been lighting up since the talk of this cage fight started about a month ago. You know what else was all this talk of cage fighting good for? Facebook or Meta's share price. Shares are up 10% over the past month alone. So even if the fight doesn't go ahead, these two are still coming out on top. And I'm sure if they did cancel, they would still donate the potential billions in fight profits to charity, right? We hope you enjoyed this special edition of Trading Up. Who do you think would win? Put your comments in the section below. Me personally, I just miss Tom from MySpace. He was a real friend. Aww. We'll be back with our daily updates on the day in business on Monday. In the meantime, you can find more business news content and analysis on thewest.com.au and grapher.com. I'm Colin Ebsworth. We'll see you next time.